Welcome back. I'm with my co-host, Axis's Zuri Hall. And if hair loss is a beauty concern you're struggling with, you're not alone.
Beauty and style expert Jennifer Chan is here. She's going to share her tips for combating female hair loss.
Thank you.
Welcome.
All right, so 50% of women actually struggle with hair loss, and I'm one of them. So this topic is near and dear to my heart.
That's half the population.
Half,
wow.
Way more than I would have thought.
Right, and it's not taboo to talk about it anymore. So there's a lot of factors that might attribute to hair loss. So it could be stress, poor nutrition, poor sleep, and even the way you're styling your hair. The term is called androgenic alopecia, or female pattern baldness. And as we get older, unfortunately, our hormones actually attack the hair follicles, and it causes your hair to thin. But don't worry, I've got lots of tips and tricks to share to help you out.
Okay, got it.
Okay. So first up, we have the Hair Max Laser Band 82 Comfort Flex device. This one is so cool. So basically, it's a headband that you charge up at home. It has red light therapy, and you can use it up to 90 seconds, all the way up to 5 minutes per day.
You put this on your head?
Yeah, like a headband.
This is like a crown.
Exactly. It's comfortable. It's flexy.
But like this?
Like a headband.
Oh, like a headband. I don't wear headbands.
You don't have that problem.
You don't have that problem, but it's going to work wonders. Really great results. It's the only safe and effective FDA-cleared
that's cool.
medical grade device that can actually help with hair thinning and hair loss. Check it out from Hair Max.
Hair Max.
Other things to look out for: supplements. So we need to boost our nutrition. It's all about folic acid, vitamin B complex. So these are going to actually produce more red blood cells, which bring oxygen to your hair follicles and therefore create healthy hair growth.
Okay, I've always heard about vitamin B, so it actually works.
Yes, go to the drugstore, pick it up. It can't hurt.
Okay,
you
all
know
right.
what I mean?
Okay, got it.
Very doable.
Looking good. What do we have over here?
Say someone's experiencing hair loss and they're stressed out about it.
Totally.
Right? That sort of defeats the whole purpose because that's what's sort of causing it, right?
It all starts with like your stress level, because that can really make an impact on your hair. And one thing you can do at home is give yourself a DIY scalp treatment. So castor oil, again, pick it up at a drugstore. Super easy.
I live by
you love
castor oil, actually. Yes, I do Jamaican castor oil.
Yeah, so many women swear by castor oil. The reason why, it's derived from the castor bean, which is rich in ricinoleic acid, and it's actually going to fight inflammation. So you're going to boost your hair growth, and lots of women, like I said, use this, and very consistently you get that hair growth coming in really nice and strong.
Love that. And what is, I have heard so much about this brand.
Yes.
Never tried it, but people say it works wonders.
Okay, Hark Liniken. They made it their mission to help people who are struggling with hair loss and hair thinning. And you can go and book a consultation. I actually did it myself. And they do a whole scalp analysis. They ask you about your genetics, your lifestyle, your hair thinning problems. And then they can actually, if you're a candidate, hand blend some extract. These are mine, literally from my bathroom counter.
So this is like a custom situation.
It's totally custom to you. I use this every single day. There's no turning back. This one is awesome. And there's...
Oh, it's like a little brush?
What is it? Oh, does that get the like follicle stimulating?
You gotta
massage yourself. Okay, got it.
We call this a scalp massager. Super easy to pick up online or on Amazon. And keep it in your shower. So when you're shampooing, instead of your fingertips doing all the work, let this do all the work.
That just looks like a good time.
Right?
And
and there's PRP too, right? I've done that before. I've done the PRP injection.
You and me both, girl. So PRP stands for platelet-rich plasma therapy.
Oh, very good.
And the idea is that they're going to take your blood, they spin it in a centrifuge, and then they inject it back into your scalp. So you're going to really regenerate those dormant hair follicles and stimulate healthy hair growth.
Yeah, that one I do recommend. Now, for those who are living with hair loss, right, and just kind of want to manage the look, work with what they've got, what do you have for us?
Okay, fast fix. Hair extensions.
Boom.
I am out here. I am trying to break the stigma of hair extensions. I'm wearing some right now.
They look good.
Thank you. Can't even tell, right? This is from Glam Seamless.
I didn't know it was a stigma. I thought that was just a thing.
They're shaking it off these days, you know. But
my wife, she'll wake up in the morning, it'll be short, and like, when I come home from work, she's like, you know.
Courtney said, I am everyone.
Exactly.
Yeah, you can be any woman and every woman with the help. So this is Glam Seamless. I've tried lots of brands. This is my favorite one because they are so dense from roots to end. You're not going to have any thinning areas. It comes in over 100 shades, so something for absolutely every hair color and texture. It's made out of 100% ethically sourced Remy human hair, so really beautiful. The clip-ins are easy. And then two products that I'm really obsessed with. Mark Anthony, this is a drugstore brand. It's their brand new styling cream with biotin.
Not the same.
I was just about that. I was like, when did Mark come out?
Yeah, no, he didn't. Not J-Lo's ex.
No association here, but this one actually has biotin, phytokeratin, and thickening polymers. So they wrap around your strands. And when you blow dry your hair, it actually plumps every single strand, and you get that bombshell effect, which I really love.
Okay.
And then, of course, we have Orbe, tried and true hair care brand. One of my favorites because it really gives that exaggerated volume, which is great if you have thinner, fining hair. And it has thermal protection, which is really important.
Oh, right, because that heat styling can really do damage, too.
Exactly.
It's a lot of great stuff, though.
It is
Thank you very much.
Thank you. For more beauty tips, follow Jennifer Chan on Instagram.
Yes, thank you, Jennifer. And listen, up next, she's dancing.